Every match you play tells a story. Most of it you never see. Every match you play lands on your home screen automatically. No uploads, no setup. Your latest one is already waiting. One click, and you're in the debrief. This is your debrief. The final score, how each half went, and the rounds that shaped the result, laid out the moment the match ends. Your impact comes first. The moments where you changed a round, backed by evidence. Then all 10 players side by side. Combat, movement, utility, the grid highlights who actually won each category. Every stat splits by side, so you can see exactly where your CT half held up and where your T half didn't. And swing shows which rounds decided the match, not the ones that felt big, the ones that were. Head back up and jump into the 2D replay. The rotation you didn't spot in first person is obvious from up here. Spotted a highlight? Pick it, hit render, and every clip lands in your library, ready to share. It all compounds. Every match feeds your profile, your rating, your role, your form over time. Esport Engine, know your game.